Hey everybody, welcome back to SYD'S Club and happy holidays. I hope everyone is enjoying their holiday season. Today, we are going to make the Grinch's heart grow 3 sizes. What you're gonna need is an empty water bottle, some vinegar, a funnel, a green balloon, a red sharpie, and some baking soda. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your green balloon and you're going to want to draw a red heart on your balloon. I've already done this because you want to let it dry for a minute before you begin. So once you have your heart on your balloon and you let it sit to dry, we're going to pour some vinegar into our empty water bottle. Now I'm going to go up to about the second ring along the bottom of this bottle here. Just pour some in there. It doesn't have to be exact. You just don't need a whole lot. So I'm gonna do about that much vinegar. Okay. Now we're gonna take our balloon and we're gonna wrap it around the bottom of the funnel so that we can get some baking soda into our balloon. Okay, now we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Again, this doesn't have to be exact. Okay. Now you just want to give that a good shake. Make sure you get it all down into the bottom of your balloon. Now you can pull your balloon off of the funnel. Now this next step is a little tricky. So you want to wrap the balloon around the top of your bottle of vinegar without dumping any of the baking soda into it. We first want to get it attached and on there really well before we do that. So you want to make sure you hold your balloon to the side, pat down all the baking soda, and then get the balloon around the top of the water bottle. Okay. Make sure it's on there, nice and tight. I just want to make sure it's pulled down all around the base of my bottle. All right, now this is where the magic happens. I'm going to put it in this container just in case anything spills. It doesn't make a big mess. We're going to hold up our balloon and let the baking soda fall down into the vinegar. Here we go. Where's our heart? There it is. I'd say his heart grew 3 sizes. What do you think? I would love for you guys to try this project at home and let me know if you were able to make the Grinch's heart grow 3 sizes, and send us your videos. And I'll tell you what, we are gonna pick one person, one lucky winner from the pictures that we receive, and we will send you a Grinch cam that you could put on your tree. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next week on SYD'S Club. Bye.